Some of the best health properties and great taste of turmeric have been valued and used for centuries. This extremely healthy deep yellow spice offers a myriad of medicinal qualities and is normally used in Chinese, Indian, and Ayurvedic medicine. People have used turmeric in the treatment of wounds and cuts, skin issues, muscle sprains, liver diseases, respiratory issues, gastric issues, as well as digestive problems, inflammations, infections, and malignant tumors. Its active ingredient, curcumin, provides strong antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Turmeric effectively fights inflammation in the body, osteoarthritis, gastritis, microbes, gastric and peptic ulcers. Also improves the function of the brain and treats Alzheimer's disease, and helps in the case of numerous other health issues. According to Dr. Josh Axe DC, DMN, CNS. Turmeric, curcuma longa, the main spice in the Indian dish curry, is claimed by many to be the most powerful herb on the planet for fighting and potentially reversing disease. Turmeric benefits are incredibly extensive and very thoroughly researched. Currently, there are over 10,000 peer-reviewed articles published proving turmeric benefits. This puts turmeric on top of the list as one of the most frequently mentioned medicinal herbs in all of science. Here is how to make your homemade antibiotic with turmeric. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 100 grams of honey. Instructions: in a glass jar, mix the ingredient and stir well. Take a tablespoon of the remedy every hour to treat the flu. Do not swallow it immediately, but leave it to melt in the mouth. On the next day, take the same amount but every 2 hours, and repeat on the third day, taking it only 3 times daily. You can also add it to your tea or milk.